channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your discussing about quantitative aptitude. That is your class is 186. We have done your 185 classes of the session. And in arithmetical ability, we had started with the time and distance, where we had completed your time and work in the last topic. That is your 16th topic. This is your 17th topic here. So we continue with the same, and we had completed in the last class is your 35 question. Today we'll discuss 36th question of the session. And the question is as follows. A man performed 3/5 of the total journey by rail, 17 by 20 by box, and the remaining 0.6 that is remaining 6.5 kilometer on foot. His total journey is that you have to answer it out. And the options were it's 65 kilometer, 100 kilometer, 120 kilometer, and 130 kilometers. So let's go for the same here. A man performed 3/5 of the total journey by rail. 17 by 20 by bus. And the remaining 6.5 kilometer by foot. His total journey is and the options for the same. It is 65 kilometers, 100 kilometer, 120 kilometer, and 130 kilometer. So let's go for the same here. So on the way, we'll find out the solution for the same, and you have to do for step by step here. So let the total journey be x. So that is x kilometer, then 3/5 x plus 7x by 20 plus 6.5 plus that is equals to x. So for that, further it will be 12x plus 7x plus 20 into 6.5 equals to 20x, that is x equals to 130 kilometer that we have here. Now we go for another question, that is another important one. So let's find out the solution for the same. The next question we have as follows. The question is, A can complete a journey in 10 hours. He travels first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour and the second half of the rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometer. This is being asked in assistant grade question paper. The options were 220, 224, 230, 234. Let's go for it. Question is 37th. A can complete a journey in 10 hours. He travels first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour and second half at the rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometer. Options were 220 km, 224 km, 230 km and 234 km. This is being asked in assistant grade question paper. So you go for the same. Let the total distance be x kilometer. Then 1/2x upon 21 plus 1/2x upon 24 equals to 10. X upon 21 plus x upon 24 equals to 20. So 15x equals to 168 into 20. X equals to 168 into 20 upon 15, which will give you 224 km. Now we go for another question, which is the 38th question of the session here. So the question is, a person travels equal distance with the speed of 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour and 5 km per hour and takes the total time of 47 minutes. The total distance in kilometer is that the options are 2, 3, 4 and 5. This has been asked in RRB examination paper, so we go for the same here. Let's figure out the solution for the same. Total distance in kilometer you have to find out. This has been asked in RRB examination paper. Option is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's go for the same. So let the total distance be 3x kilometer. Then x by 3, x by 4 plus x by 5 equals to 47 by 60, which is 47x by 60 equals to 47 upon 60. X is equals to 1. Total distance is equals to 3 into 1 kilometer, which is 3 kilometer. Okay, so that what we'll have to go for it. Let's find out the another one, which is the another important question here, and that we have as follows. The another question is your 39th question of the session. The question is, a farmer traveled a distance of 61 km in 9 hours. He traveled partly on foot at the rate of 4 km per hour and partly on bicycle at the rate 9 km per hour. The distance traveled on foot is. This has been asked in the UPSC examination paper, and the options was 14 km, 15 km, 16 km and 17 km. So let's go for the same. This has been asked in UPSC examination paper. Option is 14 km, 15 km, 16 km and 17 km. So we go for the same. So let the distance traveled on foot be x kilometer. Then distance traveled on bicycle. (61 minus x kilometer). So x by 4 plus 61 minus x upon 9 minus 9, which is 9x plus 461 minus x equals to 9 into 36, which is equals to 5x equals to 80, and x is equals to 16 kilometer. Now we go for another question, that is another important one. That is your 40th question of the session here. So the 40th question we have, A is faster than B. A and B each walk 24 km. The sum of their speed is 7 km per hour and the sum of the times taken by them is 14 hours. When A's speed is equals to, this has been asked in the IAF examination paper. The options were 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour, 5 km per hour and 7 km per hour. Yeah. This is asked in AF examination paper. Options were 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour, 5 km per hour, 7 km per hour. Let's go for the same. Let A's speed equals to x km per hour. Then B's speed is equals to 7 minus x km per hour. So x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 4. Since A is faster than B, so A's speed equals to 4 km per hour and B's speed equals to 3 km per hour. Now we go for another question which has been the important one, and that is your 41st question of the session. So let's get started with the same. And 41st question we have here as follows. A person travels from P to Q at a speed of 40 km per hour and returns by increasing his speed by 50%. What is the average speed for both the trips? This has been asked in MBA examination paper, and let's go for the same. Part-186 question of the session. at a speed of 40 km per hour. And returns by increasing his speed by 50%. What is his average speed for both the trips? This is his Austin MBA examination paper. The options for the same is 36 km per hour, 45 km per hour, 48 km per hour, and 50 km per hour. So let's get started with the same here. Speed on return tip. One 50% of 40 equals to 60 km per hour. Average speed is equals to 2 into 40 into 60, 40 plus 60 kilometer per hour, 4800 upon 100. Kilometer per hour equals to 48 kilometer per hour. Now we go for another question. That will be the last question of the session. It is the 42th question of the session. So the question we have: a car driver travels from the plane to the hill station, which are 200 km apart at average speed of 40 km per hour in the return trip. He covered the same distance at an average speed of 20 km per hour. The average speed of the car covered over the entire distance is 400 km. So the options are the same. It will be 25 km per hour, 26.67 km per hour, 28.55 km per hour, and 30 km per hour. So you have to answer it out here. So let's go for the same. Options is 20, 25 kilometers and 30 kilometers. That's the one what I have to tell you about it. So let's find out the solution here. Average speed 2 into 40 into 20 upon 30 plus 60. Kilometer per hour equals to 80 upon 3 kilometer per hour. It should give 48 kilometer per hour. That is the answer, is a 48 kilometer per hour. Yeah. No, 26.67. Sorry. Now we continue with the next questions in the next coming class, which is your 43 question of the session, and in your class is your 187th class of the session as well. So here we're gonna end up with thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, we had done your physics and we had done your reasoning, which is your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. In chemistry, we had done your part 1, we are dealing with the part 2. In physics, for class 11, we are dealing with part 1. In terms of quantitative aptitude, we had started with arithmetical ability. In that, we had done numbers, SCF and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplifications, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sorts and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train, birds and streams, allegations of mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutations and combinations, probability, true discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd and odd series. In data interpretation, we have to cover all the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graphs. So here we're gonna end up with thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.